Hey guys, just wanted to show you guys how this saws or cuts. Got this box here that I need to take apart, and wanted to use this saw so you guys can see how it cuts and how amazing it is. So I'm gonna show you guys here in just a second. So there's like nails on both sides here, and so this blade should be able to cut everything regardless. Okay, so let me just start here. There you go. See, cuts. No problem. There you go. And I'm gonna show you on this side so you can see. I put it like that. I can cut it right here. And this one you can even hold it with one hand. Cut this here. I'll cut right here. Let's cut right here. Just want you guys to see how it cuts really good. And then on this side. There you go, guys. Amazing. It cuts really, really well. If you need one of these, Home Depot or Lowe's, they have them. Just wanted to show you guys. I posted a video of reviewing it, but I didn't show you guys how it cuts. So I wanted to do that so you guys can see. So nails is nothing to this. As long as you have the right blade, it should cut through nails like nothing. Okay? So this is now small enough to put in my trash. If I needed to put it to throw it away. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll be able to answer you and help you out before you buy it. Please subscribe and check my other videos. Thank you.